You guys excited?
You can't build a skyscraper on a sandy beach. Why? Because there's no foundation, so you have to really dig down to bedrock. And that's what I feel MVP really does.
This MVP program definitely simplified it for me because it took me from up here trying to do everything into one focused goal. So I was able to really niche down because of this program.
This is not AI generated. Look at these shirts. Look at these entrepreneurs coming in and growing their business. Rock and roll.
Our agency was chaotic, stressful, everybody had their own things and nobody knew what each person had. And since joining MVP, and our business is simpler, easier, and it's very clear where we need to take it next.
So if you're sitting on the fence, this is probably the best agency program I've seen in the last 4 years. And I've gone through a lot of them. I haven't seen anybody keep things so simple and detailed, but also really help you kind of get focused in.